Now, let's recap this again. Do you still remember? So recap. So I write this in red. Once I have some triangle similar to some triangle, do you know I can write three. What is she doing? I cannot help her, but I can help you. Now, once I have two triangles similar, do you know that I can write three sets of length ratio that are the same? Do you still remember that?
Yes. What?
Three sets of length ratio. I demonstrate the first one. Can you help me complete the second and third? How the? Can people focus? Can you start writing PQ? Can you write down PQ over PR is equals to something? Can you try? Kevin, can you? Can I have the chance to talk to him? Can you go back to your seat? Can you help me write out the second ratio that is common? Why are you sitting down? Where's your paper? Hurry up. Stand up and write. Hurry up. Can you write down the second pair? Do you know you can write something like that equal to some length over some length? Can you try writing down? Do you know how to? So I can label this like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if I refer to the first two, it will correspond to the first two. It's equals to QT over what? RS is also equals to PT over PS. This is very powerful for you to solve this kind of question. Okay, why is it in this order? Because they are similar. So once they are similar, you are able to write something like this. Okay, next, let us try and clear or not? Nadia, okay? Okay, let us try and write out the things we know. QT over RS. Where is QT? QT is here. So QT over RS is 13 over 20. So you write down QT over RS. RS is 20. Is equals to 13 over 20. Yeah, RS is 10. So this is 10 cm. So QT over RS is 30 over 20, but QT itself is 10 cm. So if I want to find QT, I can cross multiply. Yeah, you can also take 13 divided by 2. Come again. The answer is 6.5. You can either do the cross multiply way, or you can ask yourself, this is 20, this is 10. So you divide by 2 here. Here also divide by 2. Alright? So Clarence just now asked, teacher, can I just take 13 divided by 2? Answer is yes. Okay? So you can also get a mark by writing this. Okay? Because this is just 1 mark. Okay? Now, B. What about B? QR. Now I want to look for QR. QR, is it part of a triangle? Really? QR is this length, right? It's not part of a triangle, right? Let's try and understand part of a triangle. PQ, is it part of a triangle? Part of the small triangle. PR, is it part of a triangle? Yeah, it's part of the big triangle. But QR itself, it's not. So there's no way I can find QR straight away, but then I can find PR first. So can you try and find PR first? How do you find PR? 6.5 divided by 8.5 divided by 13. So Junqi mentioned some number divided by some number times some number. But if I don't want to do that, I can also use these three ratio. Do you follow? I can write down. Since I want to find PR, I am looking at these two ratio first. Okay? So I can write something like that. PQ over PR is equals to QT over RS. Alright? If I go visually, let me explain what I'm doing here. PQ is this length. So this length over PR is equals to QT over RS. Is that okay? Then after that, why is it QT and RS? Because QT and RS is given in the question. Because QT and RS is given in the question, it's easy to use. Why must put PR? Why must find PR first? Because once I find PR, I can take PR minus 8.5 to find the value of QR. Do you agree? I want to find PR first because I want to minus. Okay? You cannot write, but cannot write. So let's try. This is equal. So let me write down again. PQ is 8.5. PR is I don't know. QT is 13 over 20. Everyone clear on this? How do I find PR then? You can write 6.5 over 10 as well. Both are the same. So then you cross multiply upward. I will have 13 times PR. Over here I cross multiply upwards. Can you help me with your calculator? 170. Last step, I want to find PR. So what must I do? Divide by 13. So PR equals to 170 divided by 13. But I don't want to find PR. I don't want to find PR. I want to find QR. So what must I do? Minus the 8.5. So I write QR equals to 170 over 13 minus 8.5. And what is that answer? 4.58. Or leave your answer in 3SF. Is that okay? Is there a part C? No. Can I start the video already? Now, this question look very harmless because both triangles are stacked up in this way. Very obvious to see. But if I were to rotate the triangle, it is very useful to use these three lengths. Clear? I pause the screen here for you to take down.